When people present to me in my clinic with persistent cough, I always again think of the relationship between the lungs and the large intestine. So I think of food intolerances, the common ones being intolerances to wheat, dairy, caffeine, refined sugars, alcohol. And particularly the dairy and wheat, I urge my patients to avoid this strictly because that really does irritate the lungs because it's irritating the gut. Beyond that, I think of fungal overgrowth, so we need to address the fungal issue particularly. At times, if it's a productive cough, we need to think of bacterial overgrowth. So if it's productive, purulent mucus that's being brought up, I encourage that to be sent for culture and sensitivity to exclude bacteria, which therefore obviously needs antibiotic treatments. But usually after antibiotic treatment, you have to mop up the fungus and heal the leaky gut. And that's the process I go through, but it always starts with dietary advice.